my lovely students, our topic for today is mensuration 2. And in mensuration 2, we are going to build upon what we learned in mensuration 1, which is the area and then perimeter of various shapes. Okay? Now the basic shapes we always know is our circles, rectangles, triangles, and so on and so forth. So today we are going to talk about the surface area and volume of solids. Now when we talk about the surface area, we can talk about the net of prisms. And we can say a prism is any solid which has a what? Uniform cross-section. And then the cross-section can be rectangular, triangular, circular, pentagonal, hexagonal. It can have a combination of what? Different shapes. So when we take, let's say, a cylinder, when we pick a cylinder, okay? Assuming this is a cylinder, now we know the cylinder has what? Radius R to here, and then we have the height here, H. Okay? Now when we talk about the surface area of what? A cylinder, or the curved surface area. Now the curved surface area, this is equal to what? So we can see that the net of this prism, the net is just, we have two circles, and then we have this, okay, which is just folded. Okay, also, this is also folded to form what? A circle, okay? So this is also circular. What you are seeing here is also circular, okay? Now, if this is the height, H, and then this is the radius, okay, of this circle, then it means the curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r times what? H, which is 2 pi r h. Okay, so the curved surface is the circumference of the circle times the height, which will give us the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, which is the whole circle. If I want to find the length of this arc, it is 360 over 360 times 2 pi r, which will give me 2 pi r times the what? Height. This will give us the curved surface area of this cylinder. Now, if we want to find the total surface area of the cylinder, the total surface area. Now, the total surface area can be got from what? The area of this circle, okay? The area, and then the area of this second circle. So, we have pi r squared for this, pi r squared for this. When we add it, we get 2 pi r squared. So, we have 2 pi r squared plus the curved surface area, which is what? 2 pi r h. So if we should factorize out, we shall get 2 pi r out, then we have r plus what? H. This is the total surface area of what? A cylinder, okay? So if we want to find the total surface area of a cylinder with one end open, so it means assuming this end is open and this end is closed, and we want to find the surface area, then the surface area, in this case, will be equal to what? We shall have just this side is open. So we have pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. Okay, 2 pi r h, which will give us pi r out. Okay, we have r plus what? 2h. Okay, so assuming we have one end open, okay, with one end open. Assuming both ends are open, so this is out, this is also out, so we shall have what? Just 2 pi r h, okay, being the surface area, okay, of this cylinder. When both ends are open, it means there wouldn't be what? Any area here, there wouldn't be any area here, so it's just 2 pi r h. That will be the surface area for one end.